our beloved principal, faculty members, guests, our dear parents, and fellow graduates. A pleasant morning, everyone. If I were to choose for one thing that I would leave in this school for the younger pupils, it would be this: be an artist. What I mean is improve your craft just like how real artists do with their masterpiece. Today, a new journey unfolds in our lives. We will be a step ahead. As this chapter of our lives comes to close, we have learned something from the past, and as young adults, we must now learn how to take responsibilities for our actions. And for this, I would like to thank above all our Creator. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the strength, the talent, and your guidance. I would also like to sincerely thank my family, especially my papa, who wasn't able to attend my special day because he opted to work abroad to be able to give us a better future. Thank you and I love you so much, Papa. Para sa iyo ang anumang karangalan na natanggap ko ngayon, and I promise na mas magsisikap pa ako sa pag-aaral ko. Salamat sa mga pagsasakripisyo mo, Pa. Salamat din sa iyo, Mama. You're always there wherever I go and whatever I do to guide me and support me all the way. Thank you for your unconditional love for us. I wouldn't be here standing in front of you without your help. Thank you also to my two sisters, Achi and Shobe, my cousins, my titas and titos who always have a helping hand. I would also like to thank my teachers, Teacher Star. Although wala na siya dito, she's the one who took good care of me when I was in kinder. Also Ma'am Edem and Ma'am Daus, special thanks to Ma'am Magtaka because she stood by her decision kahit maraming nagalit sa kanya. Sabi nga niya, I deserve to be the first. Ma'am Orca, who's also very kind, pag may sasalihan akong competition, she makes it a point na ma-review niya ako ng mabuti and always telling me na kaya kong manalo. Ma'am Bangkilyo, na kahit hindi ko masyadong naipanalo ang mga laban ko, she still have positive words for me. Kumbaga, manalo man o matalo ako sa labas ng school, for her, winner na ako. And to my advisor, Ma'am Saga, thank you so much for trusting me. Pinagkakatiwala niya sa akin ang lahat and I know she still wants me to improve more. Thank you po sa lahat ng opportunities na binigay niyo sa akin. Special thanks to Ma'am Holandes for being so nice. Hindi siya nagsasawang tumulong at itama ako sa mga ginagawa kong news for competition and we made it. Nakaabot ako sa division level. And of course, my other teachers who's always ready to help, Ma'am Adriano, Ma'am Mendoza, Ma'am Yadao, Ma'am Manikis, Sir Tamayo, Ma'am Eskasulatan, Ma'am Ong, at sa lahat po ng mga teachers na nandito, thank you so much. My achievements would have not been possible without your guidance and help. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Ma'am Lucas, my classmates, my friends. Thank you so much for the memories. Be it good or bad, I will treasure it. Today is the last day of being here together. My wish to every graduates is that you continue aiming for your dreams. And like what they say, it is not goodbye but see you soon. Good luck, graduates, and God bless us all.